Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss about one important thing, which is pH. Actually, the pH is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. That means if we want to know the hydrogen ion concentration, that means we need to calculate it in the pH meter. The pH meter is an electronic device which has two type of things. Like one is electrode, another is meter. So the electrode used to dip in the solution of the acidic or alkalinic solution, and it used to give us the reading. The reading comes out in the meter. So that means the pH meter is an electronic device which can give us if the solution is acidic or alkalinic or basic. What can you say? So, but before the pH meter, there are several types of things which can also measure the alkalinity of the acidity. For example, we can do it by pH strips, pH paper, litmus paper, and finally the pH. The pH meter is the most advanced. So it can be the pen type or the benchtop. So there are some important brands which are worldwide known like Mettler Toledo, Hanna. So if you want to start the pH meter, then you have to do the calibration part. Actually, for the calibration of the pH meter, you will need the buffer solution. So what is buffer solution? The buffer solution is a solution where if you add little amount of acid or base, the pH will not change. So the buffer solution can be several types like buffer 4, buffer 7, buffer 10, and also buffer 12. But actually, for calibrating your pH meter, at least you need two buffer solutions. It can be buffer 4, buffer 7, or if you want to do it for 3, 3 is also better. So when you will do the calibration, you will get a slope. So the slope will determine about the calibration quality. And finally, after you've done the calibration, then you can check the pH of any kind of solution. Because in our day-to-day life, pH checking is a very important parameter. For example, lotion, creams, any kind of cosmetics item, we must check the pH because our skin pH has a limit. So any kind of product we are using, we must check the pH. If the pH is high or less, it will not work.